knowledge but understanding of the knowledge, and then knowing how to apply the knowledge. There's a system to all these things, right? Even what you're learning right now, still processing. It's having the knowledge. You can have the knowledge, but don't mean you have the understanding, because you weren't paying attention in class. So you didn't develop the understanding you need. So when you get the test and they ask you questions surrounding the information, not really directly what the book is saying, but surrounding the information, if you don't get it, if you don't understand it, ain't no way you're going to respond to that question correctly, because you don't have the understanding of the knowledge. Knowledge is simply knowing the ledge. When you break it down, knowing the ledge, how far you can go in life. And based on how much you know is how far you go. Based on how much you know is how far you go. And guess what else about knowledge? The more you know, the easier life gets. How many of us had a hard life so far? How many of us had a hard life? Had a hard life so far? All right. A lot of struggles, right? Okay. So some people equate that as hard, but I don't think life is hard either. Struggle, challenges in our life, I'm saying, guess what? You're going to see more of them as the days go by. As long as you live, you're going to see more of them. So the struggle don't change. What has to change is you. The challenges don't change. They get different, and sometimes they get more difficult, but what has to change is you. And the only way you change is with the level of information you develop, the level of knowledge you develop. We're not taught certain things about life and how things work in a systematic way. Like he's teaching you in a systematic way, how the system works and still processing. But also in life, there's a system. And there's a system in everything. Once you understand the system, you know how to get it easier. It becomes easier. It becomes like effortless.